Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to automatically move emails to a specific folder in Gmail. Open any Chrome browser. Log into your account. And then click on Gmail. Once it's open, go to the left side. Hey, you can see two labels have been created. The first one is draft and the second one is junk. Junk or draft emails automatically save in these labels or folders. Which kind of folder we want to create? Like that, I want to receive all Google emails in one folder. For this, we should create the label Google. For this, click on any Google email. Then click on three dots. And then click on Filter Messages like this. A small pop-up will appear. The email address Google used to send emails, rarely, and nothing I need to write in the subject section or nothing on it. To change any setting from here, after that, click on Create Filter. Once it's open, here you can see a lot of options available. Skip that inbox, archive it. The meaning of this option is your account will skip the Gmail of Google and save it in the Google folder. It will not be present in your inbox. So, check this button. After that, click or not click, and then star it. You can give a rating to Google Mails. After that, a small pop-up will appear. First of all, write down new label name. Click on arrow and just click on Please Laptop Parent, then uncheck this button and click on Create. There is an option to forward email. It means your Google email will be forwarded to a particular person which you will select after receiving the email. And then, go below. There is the option Delete. It means Google Gmail will automatically delete once they come. And then, the other option is always mark it as important because it's the Google Mail. And the next one is never mark it as important. It depends on you. Emails of Google are important for you or not. Then click on Choose Category, and in which you can select anyone. But why? You can use that, don't waste. And after that, go to the last. Click on Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversation. And then click on Create Filter. Once it's open, go to the left side. Now you can see your label Google has been created. That's all the way to automatically move email to a specific folder in Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.